Virtual reality and augmented reality technology can be used to facilitate welding training. Our simulators are the most preferred welding simulators in many countries. Thanks to the welding simulator, you can weld on virtual parts in a virtual environment. The welding environment can be changed. Electric arc welding, gas metal arc welding and TIG welding are available. Instant analysis of welding parameters and mistakes are provided. All welding data can be displayed graphically and numerically. Analysis can be used to evaluate the welding. It is possible to capture the welding video. Augmented reality feature is available. You can weld on virtual parts in real environment. For more information, visit our websites.